Hi, this is Dr. B reporting from the Monteverde cloud forest in Costa Rica. I am next to this really cool tree full of epiphytes. We're here to talk about biodiversity, and you can see that's not just one kind of leaf on this tree. This tree is covered with different types of plants. Many of them are epiphytes, which are not parasites, but they just use the tree as a place to grow, and they can absorb nutrients from the air and from the moisture. Cloud forests get most of their moisture from horizontal precipitation. That's clouds which form at this high elevation, which makes it cooler than tropical rainforests. Those clouds roll in and they kind of just run into the plants, and the moisture builds up on the leaves and condensates, and then the plants can absorb that moisture. So the plants are very adapted to this place. The biodiversity in cloud forest is huge because it's a very wet place. It's a very good place to be a plant, and all those plants mean there are lots of insects and birds and animals. And so the biodiversity, which means the different kinds of living things in one area, is huge here. About 4% of the biodiversity in the world exists in about 60 cloud forests around the world. So cloud forests are very special. They have lots of species that are endemic, which means they only live in this place, which is very cool. So preserving the cloud forest is very important. However, climate change is changing this forest. Climate change means there are more sunny days with no clouds, so there's no horizontal precipitation, and that's actually starting to change the species of birds and plants and insects that live here. It's becoming less of a cloud forest and more of a tropical rainforest. But it's very cool. There's lots of biodiversity here still, and it's a great place to visit if you get a chance. I'm standing here in the treetops on a very cool platform, a bridge that's about 150 feet off the ground. That's 30 meters. You can see where I'm standing now. And it's a little bit tippy, not too bad. And so this is Dr. B signing off from the Monteverde cloud forest in Costa Rica.